Hello friends, today I present a movie review. The title of my movie is Tare Zameen Par. The director of this movie are Amir Khan and Amol Gupta. This is a kind of drama. The movie was released on 21 December 2017. The main theme of this movie want about a child, a disability child, especially children who have trouble doing a normal work, something that has fallen victim to the disease which also include a disability. Ishan is an 18-year-old boy who suffers from dyslexia. So he had difficulty in writing, teaching, working, but he was a very good painter. His family did not understand him and hitting him and behaving like that. He is forcibly sent to boarding school. He does not share his troubles with anyone and no one even asked him. Amir Khan, the teacher of performed this movie. He understands Ishan's problem and brings out the craftsmanship of painting in that North hat. This movie inside a song there are many children who suffer from some kind of disability. I have also seen such handicapped and disabled child in my eyes. There are institution for it, Bhavanagar, and indeed they also have a wonderful art. My second point is the juxtaposition. Juxtaposition means showing two opposite things together. As Ishan is a college suffering from dyslexia, while his brother Rohan is a very brilliant child, but their parents have the same expectation about both. Every parent has expectation of their child. This movie good to watch because there is a something art hidden in all the children. Just bring it out and a good teacher and do that job. A teacher show his student a right way. So this is a wonderful movie and we will show you two video clips here to explain juxtaposition.
तारे जमीन पर ये तो है सर्दी में धूप की किरणें उतरे जो आंगन को सुनहरा सा करने मन के अंधेरों को रोशन सा कर दे ठिठुरती हथेली की रंगत बदल दे खो न जाए ये तारे जमीन पर
So many children with disabilities are seen in this video. The only expectation of their parents is that they will always be happy, demonstrating how happy a child is despite being a disabled and that they can do something too. And now watch this another video which has a very normal boy what expectation her parents have with his.
जैसे रंगों भरी पिचकारी जैसे तितलियां फूलों की क्यारी जैसे बिना मतलब का प्यारा रिश्ता हो कोई ये तो आशा की लहर है ये तो उम्मीद की सहर है खुशियों की नहर है खो न जाए ये तारे जमीन पर
So every parent should have an expectation on their children, but knowing what kind of skill their child, every parent should support their child so that their self confidence also increase. I hope you like this movie. So thank you so much.